second start after getting that first start on Saturday night?
I mean, definitely was came into the game today with more of a calm mentality than was, my first start last game.
You said that you're willing to do the dirty work and the little things, but you also hit that jumper late in the shot clock and you had the three-point play. That kind of showed all the things that you have in your game.
I mean, that's definitely a little something I do have. I'm capable of doing, but we'll get to that later. So just keep doing what I've been doing.
What does this mean to you to be able to put up double-digit rebounds, a big win late in the season? I mean, to show this league what you can do.
I mean, it's definitely big. You always want to come out, every game and show what you can do. Everybody's watching, so I mean, definitely you always want to come out and play with a lot of energy. So that's what I'm trying to do.
What do you have to do on the defensive end when they've got a small front court of Karolinko and Joe Johnson out there for you guys?
I left him up. I should have squared him up a little more. And that was my fault. So just got to make adjustments.
In the time that you've been here, what are some of the big strides you feel you've made already in just a few short weeks or a month that you've been here?
I mean, just getting more acclimated to the system that's going on here, just offensively and defensively, and just figuring out what my role is.
You always contest shots. What did you think of the job Kyle did coming out and contesting that three there late?
Oh, yeah, that was a great block. That was big. We needed that.
Thanks, Ray.
Thank you.